Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Gardener's Gift. A moral story: everything that happens is for the best. In a small village, there lived a kind gardener who grew many fruits in his garden. On the occasion of New Year, he packed a bunch of juicy grapes and decided to present it to the queen. At the palace, he waited for his turn to meet the queen. But the queen seemed to be in a bad mood. The gardener offered her the bunch of grapes. As she ate a grape, she exclaimed, "These grapes are very sour." In anger, she threw the grapes at the gardener. The gardener immediately said, "Thanks God." The puzzled queen asked him, "I threw the grapes at you. Why are you thanking God?" The gardener said, "My queen, I was about to bring a watermelon but changed my mind." "What if you had thrown a watermelon at me?" The queen began to laugh and all her anger vanished.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.